It was a sight for the gods to witness the love exchange between you and Sai Geeta, your pet elephant. Through Sai Geeta, you taught us how one can bind the Lord through one-pointed love and undiluted purity. You even told us, if you want to know what true devotion is, look at Sai Geeta.